Welcome to Cindy's Artistic World, my mighty little garden, where today I'm going to go clean up my tomato plant. I don't grow a bunch of them anymore, and this guy's actually a couple of years old. My tomato plant has been putting off a lot of tomatoes, and I'm really glad for it. It's time for a cleaning though. A lot of people, I'll see their posts and they say, "What's the matter with my tomato plant? Look at it." Well, you know, it's just like any plant. It's going to die back and put off new growth. So, unless you have mites and things like that, and then of course they all need enough water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply go through here and clean off these old leaves and try and promote new growth so it's not taking away from this, and trim it up. And then you got to be really careful with tomato plants, because if you handle them or you have smoke on your hands, if you're a smoker, they really hate that stuff. Anyway, that's it. I decided that's not quite yet. So where I'm cleaning off the tomato leaf right here, see this new growth? Get on it. Hard to tell with this little tiny camera. Anyway, so here's the new growth. So I'm going to just pinch that sucker off, and hopefully that promotes that. Because a lot of times that's what's causing the old leaf to die, is the new growth underneath. Well, I did do a number on it. I took a lot off of it, and we'll check back on a couple of days after some watering. I did find one pest, which is a little green grasshopper. You can see it's loaded and it's got lots of new sprouts, so we'll see how it does. Thank you for watching Cindy's Artistic World. Please give us a like and subscribe or follow.